Collision at sea, emergency response procedure. This procedure provides crew members with clear instructions on what to do immediately after a vessel collision. The goal is to protect lives, stabilize the situation, and coordinate an effective emergency response. When a collision becomes unavoidable, the craft master must act without hesitation. Steer the vessel in a way that reduces the force of impact, using the best possible angle and positioning. Your primary objective is to protect your crew and minimize structural damage. Immediately activate the ship's emergency alarm to alert all personnel of the critical situation. Crew members must proceed to their designated muster stations, or the wheelhouse where applicable. Ensure that everyone is accounted for before continuing with further emergency actions. Following the alarm, the craft master must quickly assess the scene, check for personnel injuries on your vessel and on the other vessel involved. Evaluate damage to your own craft, including hull integrity and system functionality. Assess the condition of the other vessel and take note of their damage status for reporting. This assessment determines your next steps and required support. Contact MCC and the base leader immediately. Time is critical, and reporting must not be delayed, even if initial details are limited. You can update your report as more information becomes available. Your report must include at minimum, location information, precise coordinates, proximity to shore, and any navigational references that help responders locate you. Crew and craft condition. Number of personnel on board, injuries sustained, vessel stability, and operational status of essential systems. Clear information helps emergency teams deploy the right resources quickly. If your craft requires support, contact Port Marine Safety on VHF Channel 07. Notify the sector control stations as well, so vessel traffic can be warned of the collision and your vessel status. Request towing, medical support, or any other assistance based on the earlier damage assessment. If your own craft is stable and not in immediate danger of sinking, communicate with the other vessel. Confirm whether they require medical help, mechanical support, or evacuation. Provide assistance only if it is safe to do so. And ensure all help provided is documented. If your vessel has suffered a hull breach, activate damage control immediately. Deploy patching materials. Start pumping operations. Monitor the rate of water ingress. Identify affected compartments. If flooding cannot be controlled, prepare for evacuation and life raft deployment. In any collision at sea, act immediately. Minimize impact, sound the alarm, and assess conditions quickly. Communicate early. Report to MCC and base leaders as soon as possible, even with incomplete details. Follow established protocols. Adhere to emergency and hull breach procedures without deviation. Coordinate the response. Work closely with Port Marine Safety and control stations to ensure a complete and effective emergency operation. Preparedness and swift, disciplined action are essential to protecting lives during maritime collisions.